Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to A Different Opinion. Today we're going to be looking at the Prince Harry court case that's going on at the moment for the phone hacking claims that he have made. So he obviously didn't show up to the court case yesterday, and the reasoning why is for Lilibet's birthday, okay? So he literally didn't show up to a court case where he's going to be the first royal to give evidence for more than 130 years, and he didn't even show up on the first day. Like, that is ridiculous. And I guess the judge should hold this kind of towards him, because if you don't show up to a court case, let's say a normal human being doesn't show up to a court case, not someone of, Harry's stature or anything like that, who live by different rules. If you don't show up, you're in way more trouble than what he's going to be. Let's be real, okay? But anyway, we'll look at this one here today. Wouldn't you also as well, I mean, if you know it's Lilibet's birthday and you're not going to show up, wouldn't you at least try and say beforehand to say, hey, sorry, judge, I'm not going to be there. Not just leave him in the dark. And it just shows yet again, he probably knows that there's going to be a lot of news coverage. There's going to be publications and everything that talk about this. And he's happy to do it because it seems that him and Meghan, they don't want to be in the news for good reasons. They only want to be in the news for the total opposite of good. So Prince Harry has started giving his evidence at the High Court today for his phone hacking trial against the publisher, The Daily Mirror. The first royal to testify in open court since 1891. So yesterday he was criticised by one of Britain's top judges and accused of wasting court's time after missing the first day of his historic case to celebrate his daughter Lilibet's birthday in Montecito before flying to Britain. Just a life of luxury and a life of privilege. Let's be honest, right? So in 1891, Edward VII gave evidence when a slander action was brought by a card player accused of cheating at a baccarat at a time when gambling was illegal. His appearance in the witness box left Queen Victoria unamused, but it is not known what Harry's father, King Charles III, thinks about his son's historic appearance. So about that. Suicide mission. King Charles allegedly criticizes Prince Harry's court case. This is a landmark day for Harry. The bloke has not told the truth. In fact, you look at the Oprah Winfrey interview, it was a tissue of lies. You look at the autobiography Spare, if you can even call it an autobiography, and it was his version of the truth. Exactly, not the real truth, just his way. Well, that doesn't stack up in court of law, Mr. Wooten told Sky News. He's going to come under cross-examination and he can't lie or he perjures himself. You think he cares? This guy's been lying for that long that I believe he even believes his own lies. That is just my honest opinion, is I think he's been lying that long that he's starting to believe it himself, and he starts to believe that it's actually his life. King Charles described it as a suicide mission. So Harry arrived at the court about 40 minutes before the proceedings are expected to begin. Prince Harry has been sworn in as a witness. With his hand on a Bible, he said, I swear by Almighty God, should be a capital there as well, on God, that the evidence I will give will be truth. The whole truth and nothing but the truth. This man wouldn't be able to tell you the truth if his life freaking depended on it. Let's be real. The Duke of Sussex was then asked by his lawyer, David Sherborne, how he would like to be addressed. Listen to this, okay? He confirmed he would like to be called Prince Harry. Dude, you are nothing of the sort. Let's be real. When was the last time you actually ever acted like a prince? Like, just think back in your memory. When was the last time you actually looked at Harry and you were like, you know what? He is acting like an actual prince. I couldn't think, I don't even know the last time he acted like one. Let's be honest. When was the last time you ever heard anything good, right? And as you can see here, they only told the court a day before, and they're trying to blame it on security difficulties and blah, blah, blah for the reason why he missed the first day of court. This man just tries to live life at a different set of rules than everyone else. And it's annoying. I'm glad that you can see kind of the UK government is kind of getting sick of it. They want him to just be kind of annexed as a royal, and that they can treat him just as a normal citizen. And that's what I really, really hope, is that they can just bring him back down to earth, and hopefully he can just stay in America, I guess, right? With Meghan. Anyway, I'll end it on that one day today. We'll see how the court case goes. I nearly just want everyone to lose in this situation, right? I want him to lose his court case, but I also want, because I don't like any of the main publications, so I want them to lose as well. So hopefully the judge just goes, you know what, everyone gets a fine, and Harry, you get an extra fine as well for being late and not even showing up for a day of court. Anyway, I'll end it on that one there. Hopefully you liked the video. If you did, please like the video. Subscribe as well if you do want to help support the channel. And comment below as well. Let me know what you think. What would happen to someone just if they just didn't show up to a court day? Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one.